And for you, ma'am?
I just want a small side salad of a pea salad.
Okay.
That's all. The breakfast was too big.
Ariel, I must compliment you on finding this place.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. It's not nice.
It's special.
This place.
Only Rose's niece. There should be a lift here.
Come on,
Should have
here.
an escalator.
This is magnificent.
Yeah, you really hear it to
You know what the nicest thing I like about this place?
Yeah.
The spot that we're sitting at.
Thank you, Daddy.
Because my daughter chose it.
That's a really boyfriend boy.
Hang on a second.
Yeah.
I think what I'm going to do.
You have to concede.
Well,
What?
Anna was right.
I want a picture.
You have
now listen, I'll just keep still.
to. I don't think she owes you one.
Keep still.